Hey everyone, Lawrence with Buffalo Property Inspections. I wanted to drop in today and show everyone a cool feature of our reports. After you receive your report, you will have access to this digital view here, and you can come click on Report Tools in the top right corner and click on the Repair Request Builder tool. Here you can look through your report, request repairs or seller credits. Once you're done, you can look at the total credits requested, click create, email, text, or just click on this link. Here we can see our list. Scroll to the bottom, total credit requested, and here's the PDF view. So this tool is helpful to not only our clients, but also their realtors, their agents can utilize this tool and help make the closing process smoother. If you'd like to see it in action, schedule your home inspection at buffalopropertyinspections.com today.